Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? I hope everyone is well. So today I have come up with a very good quality project for you. So don't miss anyone, watch the video from start to finish. I hope I can give an idea about this project on the benefit of this website. So let's get started. And this project name is 123swap and this project website name is 123swap.finance. 123swap simplicity is genius. Swap, hold, send, receive, earn, invest crypto and NFT in multiple chain using only one 123swap platform. FEW words from 123swap CEO. Was this exclusive 123swap CEO Thomas Ambrose's interview to learn about the most effective way to swap coin and how it could help your crypto journey. 123swap platform ecosystem. Elements that are connected. Swap. It is a seamless peer-to-peer crypto assets swap platform, the wisdom of the crowd to create a community, governed, transparent, and decentralized ecosystem for Web 3.0. NFT. The user can easily mint as well as swap their NFT token over the platform. Yield. 123 yield is simple, secure and hassle-free. In return, the platform retains a small percentage of the yield to cover the various operational, technical and legal costs involved. Rights. Multi-chain assets management has never been easier. Whether it's BNB, ETH, TRX or DOT, 123 Bryce platform has them all. Gov. With 123swap token, the user can create and vote on governance proposal. By doing so, they directly influence the direction and characteristic of a protocol. Platforms comparison. Benefits you will get: 123swap, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Multichain.xyz and 1inch.exchange. Arbitrage possibility, automated trade, cross-chain bridge, community governance, NFT minting, equal swap, valuation. And 123swap plus and 15 millions and Uniswap minus plus 13 billions, PancakeSwap minus 3 billions, Multichain.xyz minus 250 millions, 1inch.exchange plus minus 1 billions. 123 token details. Now our token pattern: BSC Binance Smart Chain BAP20 ETH20. Token background: 123 token symbol, security, check it, audit, all 123swap smart contract. 123swap finance protocol live. Cross-chain assist. DeFi multi-chain swap yield from platform with cross-chain assets, tokens, NFT bridge integration. 13 blockchain: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Harmony One, Eco, Monriver, Phantom, OEC, previously known as OKEX Chain, Avalanche, Kronos, Arbitrum, Palm, XD, already integrated. 123 token public sale coming. December 2021. Private sale ongoing here. Stage tokens, price, lock and vesting. Private 24 millions plus token. Price per token 0.12 USD. And lock and vesting 10% TZE, 15% is quarter. Public 2 millions plus token. Price per token 0.12 USD. Lock and vesting 10% TZE, 15% is quarter. 123swap core team. Have a LinkedIn account and just click LinkedIn account and more information. This project teams. And this project roadmap: Q4 2020 and Q3 and Q4 2021. Platform preparation for multi-chain swap and yield. Platform launched on Ethereum testnet. Swap result on Polygon, Ethereum and more. And read there more information this project. And this project partners: Entry, Polygon, OEC. And this project future partners in partnership discussion with EOS, Hedera, Hashgraph, Huobi, Hyperledger Foundation, Harmony, Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, Chainlink, Corda, Crypto.org, Elrond, OpenChain, Polkadot, Solana, Stellar, Trezor, and Tron. And this project have a social link: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, Telegram, LinkedIn, Medium, GitHub, and Discord. You are just join their social link and contact any admin or staff and read their latest news. So I hope you understand this project. This project is a very good quality project. Everyone participate this project. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comments. Thanks everyone, and Allah Hafiz.